I welcome you to the third day of our vocabulary series, The Power of Words. In this video, we are going to discuss the words that are used in our day-to-day life. So, moving on to the first word, that is blender. This is blender. We generally call it mixer, but the real name of this machine is blender. It is used to blend something, so we call it blender. Now, moving on to the second word, this is rocking chair. This is rocking chair. This is a chair mounted on rockers or springs so as to rock back and forth. This is rocking chair. Now, let us move on to the third word for the day. This is feather duster. This is feather duster. This is used to dust some delicate items. Now, let us move on to the next word, that is mortar and pestle. This is mortar and pestle. It is commonly made of stone. It is an ancient device to grind something. The bowl-like thing that you are able to see on the screen is mortar and the other one is pestle. So, let us move on to our next word, that is pliers. This is pliers. This is used to tighten or loosen the screws. Now, moving on to the next word, this is hoe. This is hoe. It is used in construction sites. So, now moving on to the next word, this is peg. This is peg. This is used to tighten something. This is used to tighten something or hold something with the other thing. So now, moving on to our next word, this is wheelbarrow. This is wheelbarrow. You must have seen this in some construction sites. They carry all the things in this wheelbarrow. Now, moving on to our next word, this is spanner. This is spanner. It is also called as wedge. It is also called as wedge. It is used to tighten or loosen the nuts. So, now moving to the next word, we must have seen this in our daily life. We use this every day. This is scissors. This is scissors. So, hope you like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get such amazing vocabulary videos. Like this video and share it with all your friends and family members. Thank you. Have a great day.